up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got another exciting video for you today. It's a 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 Trail Boss, all the way from North Carolina. It's getting a 7-inch McGaughys lift kit with a set of 26x14 polished KG1 Forged Kreators. Really nice wheel, and it's getting a 35, 13, 50, 26 Fury MT tire. This is one of those setups that reminds me of 2022, 2023. It was like the really popular thing back then. I really still like this a lot. I don't do it as often as I used to, but I do love whenever it comes to the shop. This is going to be a really nice truck with a really nice stance, nice lift kit, nice set of wheels and tires. We're also putting a set of 18-inch white Infinite Offroad wheel lights on this truck. It's going to be super awesome, and then we're going to trim up a little bit on the front end. We're going to make it look really nice and clean. Stay tuned for the process. I'm about to get out real quick and show you what this truck looks like. Here's our beautiful truck, 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. He's got him some tow mirrors on there for sure. Those things are big. It'll look a lot more proportional once he gets the tires and wheels and lift on it. Those will fit better. The color's great. I love the blacked out front end on this truck. The little subtle amount of chrome around the Chevy bow tie looks nice. Definitely need some bigger wheels and tires on it for sure. Done a couple trucks kind of like this color scheme with a set of polished wheels. You wouldn't think that it would match as good as it does, but once the truck's done, you'll see what I'm talking about. I really do like this color combo that's going on here. Stay tuned. We're about to get it pulled in right now and get everything started. I want to say I appreciate it to the customer as well. So just like that, we have this truck ready to go. 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. He got here this morning early at 8 o'clock for his appointment. It is 2:49 in the afternoon. The truck is ready. We did the 7-inch McGaughys lift kit on this truck with the 35, 13, 50, 26 Fury MT tires. We did the 26x14 KG1 Forged Kreator wheels in the polish finish, along with the all-white Infinite Offroad wheel lights. This truck looks great. Can't wait to show it to you. I'm about to get out right now and show you what it looks like. This truck has changed dramatically. It looks awesome. I love it. The tow mirrors, like I said, are definitely more proportional with wheels and tires on the truck now. They look good. Everything kind of matches the stance. Looks really nice. Starting out with the lift kit on this truck, we did the 7-inch McGaughys lift kit. There's our cross member. There's a stainless steel accents on a gloss black lift kit. It looks really, really good. This is a good example of how much drop this cross member is on this lift kit. This is at the 7-inch setting. I use this kit at the 9-inch setting more often, but this is the axle angle at 7 inches next to flat. That's really, really nice. This is our McGaughys strut that we replaced the factory strut with. It's set at the 7-inch setting. It can be raised up with the rings to 9 inches. Everything on this kit is really nice. It's gloss black, super clean looking. There's our spindle from McGaughys. We use the factory upper control arm in this kit. They do have an upper control arm we could sell you that would say McGaughys on it, but you don't really have to have it at this setting, so it's an option. There's our kicker braces or strut tensioner bars that are supplied with this lift kit. In the rear, we have the McGaughys shock here. We have their lift block and we have their U-bolts. The centerpiece on this truck obviously is the wheels. 26x14 KG1 Kreator. It's a beautiful wheel in the high polish finish. It's forged, super light, very, very true wheel. It's smooth whenever you drive on it. The wheel lights you see shaking on the camera, they're not shaking in person here, but for you to be able to see them that bright during the day, it's really, really cool, because at night they're going to light the whole entire truck up underneath. The tires are the 35, 13, 50, 26 Fury MTs. They have a little bit of a stretch to them. This was intentional. I kind of like the way this looks. They also have a 35, 15, 50 tire that, you know, sits square on that wheel, but personal opinion, this style wheel looks better with a little stretch on it. The wheel lights that we put on there are the Infinite Offroad. They're the inside, outside, all white 18-inch wheel lights. Overall, I love the way the truck turned out. I hope the customer does too. He's going to hopefully pick this up today. I tried to call him a minute ago and he didn't answer, so hopefully he looks and sees the missed call and picks it up today and doesn't stay an extra night for no reason. He's got to head back to North Carolina. I'm sure he'll love it. I'm going to attach a quote for this exact build right after this clip, so if you're curious, check that out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out here at the shop. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. I'm here Monday through Friday, 8 to 6, so shoot me a call. And I appreciate everybody watching.